In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save products on Temu. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or new to the platform, saving your favorite products is a great way to keep track of items you're interested in without making an immediate purchase. This feature is particularly handy during sales, when you want to compare prices, or simply when you need more time to decide before committing to that tempting buy. So let's dive in and simplify the process of saving products on Temu. Firstly, let's open up the Temu app on your device. Once you have the app on your screen, navigating through it is a breeze. This step is essential as it sets the stage for everything else. With the app opened, you will see a number of options on the home screen helping you to discover new items and deals. But for today, our focus is on saving specific products that you find interesting. Next, you want to make your way to your cart, so go ahead and click on the Go to Cart icon. Now, depending on the settings of your app or the device you're using, this icon might be found at different locations, but it often looks like a shopping cart and is easily recognizable. Clicking on this will take you to a list of items you've added during your shopping session, making it easy to browse through what you've selected so far. Once you're in your cart, it's time to choose the item you want to save. Scroll through your cart items and pick out the ones you need to take a closer look at. This step involves a little bit of consideration since you want to ensure that it's something worth saving for future reference. Whether it's for price watching or potential gifting, selecting the right items is key. After selecting your item, the next step is to scroll down. You might notice that some options or details about the selected item are hidden further down the page. This is where the essential action takes place, so be sure not to overlook this area. Keep scrolling to find the appropriate buttons or icons that provide further options like saving the item. Finally, find the heart icon or the save button beside the item. Clicking on this icon is the magic touch that officially saves the product to your favorites. Once tapped, the item will be stored in a dedicated list within the app, allowing you easy access whenever you need to revisit it. This feature not only helps in organizing your interests, but also streamlines your shopping experience, making it much more efficient and enjoyable. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to organize your purchase considerations efficiently and make your shopping experience on Temu smoother and more enjoyable. Happy shopping!